Good morning, students. Today our topic is two-digit number. You are habitual of saying the numbers from 0 to 9 or 100 or more than 100. But do you know what is the main purpose of these, main scientific reason of these numbers? Students, these are the symbols that we use to write the numerals. These are the symbols that we use to write the numerals. Means when we want to express our number or the counting through numbers, that is known as numerals. But when we used to write the number as from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 9, that is known as ones place digit. But when I start from 10, means if I am going to write number 10, I put my fingers for 2 times, means my pencil for 2 times. At first I write the number 1, after that I write the number 0. Again 11, I will write 1 first, after that I will write 1 again. So to create the number 10 onwards, I am writing for twice. I am writing the numbers for 2 times. So these numbers, when I used to write, I used to put my pencil to write the given number for 2 times, is known as two-digit numbers. Clear? That means the numbers from 10 to 99 are known as two-digit numbers, because after 99 we have the number 100. 100 means I have write the number for 3 times. At first I write 0, 0, last one is 1. Now two digits number is the number when we used to write the numbers for 2 times. And the next position is 100. Now the second thing is how to find the place of the particular number in two-digit number. So for that we have a pattern to follow. From the right side we used to count the number. As if I am having 57 number, here 2 numbers are given, but 7 is having another value and 5 is having another value. You can easily see that for 57 I am saying, no, I am not saying that 5, 7, I am saying 57. For 5 I am using the word 50. That means its value is not 5, its value is 50. And the value of 7 is 7 only. Means the value of ones place digit will never change. The same value will be there. Means it is standing at the ones place digit as so its value will not be changed. But when we put any number at the place of tens place value, its value become tens place value according to that. So it will change accordingly. As I have 5 number here, so its value will be 50, not 5. But if I will write here 75, 75, here the value of 7 means 5 will be 5, but the value of 7 will become 70. Its value will become 70 plus 5. This is the main way to find the place value of the given any number. Means from the right side we are supposed to put the numbers. Here we have tens and ones. Suppose I am taking any number. Suppose if I am taking 9 here and 1 here, its value will become 91. 91 means 90 plus 1. But when I will change its number, suppose I am changing it as 27, the value will become 20 plus 7. In this way we will find the place value. Now come to your book at page number 12. Page number 12. write the place is its first question is write the place value of the each encircled digit. First two sums have already done, so I am starting with the third one. Here they had given 89 and the 9 numbers is being circled. Next is 60 and the number 0 is being circled, and the next one is 53 and 5 number is being circled. So here, as the circle number is at ones place, so its value will be 9. Its value will remain 9, or we can say that 9 ones. Means as 9 ones or 9 means it is standing at the place of ones place, so I will write it 9 ones or 9. But here 0, it is again 0, it is at the place of ones place, so its value will be 0 or 0 ones. 53, now its value is 5 tens, or because it is at the tens place, so its value will be 50. 50. Now come to your page number 13. Fill in the placeholders. Here they had given us a few placeholders, but we have to write the tens or ones place digit only. Write a few sums. Now, as we have the number 28, means at the place of tens we have the number 2, and the place of ones we have the number 8. In 36, 3 is at the place of tens place and 6 is at the place of ones place. In this way, we will do the whole exercise. Now, come to your next exercise, that is at page number 17. Here we are supposed to put the sign of greater number, smaller number and equality according to the position of that. You have already done that before, so I am taking only 3 sums to explain that, because I know that you have already done that in UKG class. You know that as we accede to the number system, the number becomes greater. Here we are to put the sign of greater than, smaller than or equal. Greater than means when we used to write the number in when the greater number, at which side the number is in the greater form, we are supposed to put the open side of this sign. This is known as the greater than sign. This one is for the smaller than sign, and this one is for the sign of equality. As we have, you can also suppose it in the manner of a crocodile. This crocodile used to eat more and more toffees. Toffees, you can say that. And where the more he will get the more toffees, he will open its mouth. Here we have the number. Here we have 41 toffees and 37 toffees. On which side we have the more toffees? That is on the 41 number side. So the crocodile will open its mouth on the 41 number. But here, as we have the number 46 and 84, the crocodile will open its mouth on the 84 number side, because 84 is more greater than. But here the crocodile got confused, because on the both of the sides the numbers are same, the number of toffees are same, so he will open its mouth on both of the sides and its mouth will be blasted. Okay, so in this way we will do our full exercise. Thank you.